Will explain about the suite family, how we can able to create the suite family. Okay. So as usual, I create one wall here. Okay. So here I have to create some wall profile in this wall, especially for the skirting, wall skirting or something. Okay. So first of all, I can go to file, choose the file. In the file, you can find out the new and go to family. So in the family, you can find out that uh, metric profile. So you have to find out the metric profile. So when you choose the metric profile, in the metric profile, you can find out uh, this is a metric profile preview. So here you can find when you select this one, you center, left, right, reference plan, and this one also reference plan. So this is a base points. So you can create, choose the create and reference. You can make it like a reference plan like this. Okay. So again, you can make it another reference plan mm, like this one. Okay. Right. So if you want, you can create here also as per your wish. You can able to do it. But I'm getting from here. Okay, I'm getting from here. So after that, I can go to choose my element. So so I can go to find out my measurements width and length or width and height or something. So first of all, you can go to select and go to label, make it the name of the label. Even here also you can make the label. You can create the type parameter. Okay. So after that you can go to find out the create family type and you can change it. So how much distance you need it. Okay. So just fix it like this. Okay. Now I can go back to my create and use the line. Okay. In this line, I can just create one rectangle. Okay. I can go to find out the alignment command. I can lock this rectangle to my reference plan. After that, again, I can go to choose the line. I can take it from and fill it. So I can go for the fill it like this way. So it's almost done. Right. So this is my fill it I created. Again, I can go to find out another line. So I can make it one here. Make it like this. So I can make it trim. Again, I can go back to my create and I can choose the fillet. Okay. So if you want, I can go back to fillet. So again, I can go back to fillet command. Can choose the fillet command again. That. So I created my profile like this way, but don't forget you should be uh, check your lines between. Okay. So I did this one. This is my profile I created. Okay. So after that, I have to save or I can upload it to my project. So when I upload in the project, I can go back to my 3D so I can choose my wall, go to edit, So so inside I'm trying to put so internal side, so I can go to find out to switch, add default. I can choose my family and material. I can make it like wood. Okay, so I can find out the wood material, right? And I can go to find out the interiors, apply. So it's coming from here. So I can go to find out 150 consent, so I can get 0, and here I can go for 1. So I did this one like this. Okay, so I can apply now. So when you go to check your wall, so now you can understand how these wall skirtings are available in the wall. So this is the way I created the skirting from here. Okay, so now you can understand how you can able to create the skirting profile to here. Okay, so when I go to my floor plan, I can uh, make the section. In the section, I can go to find out. So you can find out here. So this is a section view, and this is my profile view. How you can able to create from the family, because before we created like just a Revit family, we took from the default profile. Now we create from our own profile. So this is the way we can able to create the profiles. So when you go for 3D views, now you can understand how it will be working on. So this is the way we have to work on this one. So in the same way, we can create the reveal also. Okay, so reveal also we can able to create it. So at the same time, if you want, you can go to find out your profile suite here, and you can able to go to find out edit. Even here also you can find out your model family. Okay, here also you can find out the family. So after that you can able to place it. Okay, so it's coming from here also. So after that, so you should be applying the material here, because here the material is we are not mentioning any material. So you can able to mention the material again. So it's looking like this. So this is the way you can create the profiles in family, and the same time we can able to add our whole. Okay. So I hope you understand these things. Thank you so much.